Can you make mouth-watering spaghetti with tomato sauce? Let's prepare them together, and then let me know if you end up like Felice Sciosciamucca in the Italian comedy Miseria e Nobiltà. Ready? Pour the oil into a pan, add the peeled garlic cut in half and deprived of the inner core and saute it. Then add the peeled tomatoes, season with salt, cover and let it simmer. Once the sauce is cooked, remove the garlic and pour it into a food mill to obtain a smooth and homogeneous puree. Pour the sauce back into the pan, add the basil, and let simmer at low temperature. After a few minutes, add the drained spaghetti cooked till al dente and stir to blend. Just a few more basil leaves are missing, and the dish is ready. Guys, a spaghetti with tomato sauce are Giovanni approved. I'll link down below the step-by-step photo recipe, and if you liked this video, leave us a nice like, and if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel.